So guys, the story behind this cashew nuts that I'm about to rebake, because when you look at it, you see it's washed and it's wet. Yeah, I washed this cashew nut this early morning because it seems to be dirty. Yeah, it seems to be dirty. So guys, let's bake our groundnuts, our cashew nuts. So some time ago, my husband ordered a cashew nut from Nigeria. He ordered cashew nuts and groundnuts. So it happened that it was not in a plastic bottle. It was inside a Ziploc. Let me show you guys. It was not like this. It was not like this. It was inside the Ziploc. So when they get to the cargo to send it, right? It's now happened that the cargo people want it to be inside this container. So they transfer this from the Ziploc to this container, this bottle. They transferred it like they have to open our cashew nuts and our groundnuts, open it with their hands. I was transferring it here for us. So my husband said that we are not going to eat it. That's a no-no for him. That he's not going to eat it because why would they touch his cashew nuts? Why would they touch what he's eating? What he's going to put in his mouth? That he's not going to eat it. So my sister-in-law ordered it for us. So she put it inside the Ziploc. So she didn't know that it's a must that it must be here. It must be this way. So on getting here, my husband said, no. That he's not going to eat it. That he will not eat it. I'm done washing it. I washed it this early morning with salt, soaked it, washed it with salt, and then it's inside the sieve now. So what I'm going to do now is bake it again, add another sauce, and then bake it again. So this is it. My husband, he even said I should trash it, that he will not eat it. How can I trash 3 bottles of cashew nuts? 3 bottles of cashew nuts and 2 groundnuts. As a wife material that I am, 100%. 100. I have to do this. So 100% white material that I am, and have to rebake this nut again for him to eat it. If not, he will not eat it.